Fucking A.
I need some up elevator, badly.
Oh, where the hell is it? There it is. Ah, some more awesome YouTube friggin' voiceovers.
Awesome voiceovers.
Ah, it goes straight. It seems to go straight and fast.
Okay, it flies okay now.
Alright, well hurry up, try to land it.
It's not easy.
Where is it? There it is. Oh, fuck it into the sun.
That's the flap switch.
Where is it? There it is.
Big switch, that's the one.
Oh fuck, what's that? Oh, it's a post.
Okay.
Alright. Where is it?
Well, the dodgiest YouTube video, by the way.
Oh, look at that. Fucking ripper. Oh, it goes good.
It's going way too fast.
Oh, nice. It's pretty. Oh, getting my flaps.
Awesome.